So I got an email from a student that was struggling with these kinds of problems because their calculator did not allow them to enter fractions indirectly, and there was no pi button. That's not going to stop us, of course. We'll apply what we know about multiplying fractions in order to complete this problem without those features. We'll take a look at finding the volume of a sphere. It says either enter an exact answer in terms of pi or use 3.14 for pi. So there's our answer for the pi button. And round your final answer to the nearest hundredths. So let's start with what we know. Volume is equal to 4/3 pi r cubed. We will substitute in the information that we are given and the information that we have. And we will have 4/3 pi in the terms of 3.14, 2 cubed. Now, 3.14 can be written as a fraction. It would be 3.14 over 1, and 2 cubed can be written as a fraction, 2 cubed over 1. And since when we multiply fractions, we multiply the numerators together and then the denominators, we can rewrite this problem as 4 times 3.14 times 2 times 2 times 2, 2 cubed, over 3 times 1, which is 3. Then we'll simply multiply the first two numbers of the top following our order of operations. We'll go ahead and multiply 2 times 2 times 2. We're still dividing all of that by 3. That turns out to be 100.48 divided by 3, which turns out to be 33.493 repeating. And we've been asked to round our answer to the nearest hundredth. So we'll look at the number next to 9. It's a 3. We'll leave the 9 alone. We have 33.49. So this problem is obviously and absolutely doable without the use of some of the buttons on your calculator that you may be used to in the classroom. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.